I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways to use the Artis Oval 7 brush. The Oval 7 brush is one of our best-selling brushes. It's a medium-sized oval-shaped brush which is perfect for using all over the face. And it's really wonderful for defined areas of the face, like the apple of your cheek or contouring the jawline. I love using the Oval 7 for my daily skincare routine and even for a light dusting of my favorite setting powder. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether you're using liquids, powders, or creams, and apply and blends makeup beautifully on any skin type. Here's some of my favorite ways to use the Artis Oval 7 brush. Powder foundation is made super easy with the Oval 7. Simply glide your Oval 7 once or twice across the powder compact and glide in circular motions across the entire face. The Artis CosmeFibre fiber bundles are so densely packed, and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so you don't need to stipple, dab, or buff. Remember, the lighter the touch, the better. With liquid bronzer, simply dot the bronzing gel onto the forehead, the cheekbones, and gently glide your brush in circular motions. It's my favorite product whether I'm using it to enhance my summertime glow or to pretend I'm still at the beach in the middle of winter. With cream blush, simply dot product onto the apple of the cheek and back along the cheekbone. Take your Oval 7 and gently glide in circular motions so that the brush is lightly resting on the skin and you'll be left with a perfect rosy flush on the cheek. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.